Hello, 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 how are you? It's Rhonda of Rhonda Said. Boo! Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the chat. I got some new hair and she styled it for me because normally I don't ever have it curly, but it looks so sweet and I feel lovely. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. Today I have a mystery box of stuff from Sydney Grace. Sydney Grace is fantastic. Sydney Grace has wonderful mystery bags, and I totally am about to unbox this with you now, if I can figure out how to open it. Is the box smarter than I am? Possibly. This box is tough. Oh, it's because I'm trying to open it wrong. Some packing paper. Then this is what we have on the inside. I got the blue bag. And we also have a grab bag of colors. Oh, we've got a sticker for the new choppy color palette that's coming out. It should be out by now. And I got a magnetic palette to put some of the singles in so I can make my own little palette. It says Sydney Grace. Sydney Grace. All over your face. Oh, Sydney Grace. It's all over your face. Let's see what I got in my mystery bag, and then we'll see what I got in my grab bag of shadows. It's a very cute bag. It's got a soft pleather little frill here. Little tassel, if you will. And it's full of stuff. Oh, it comes with a smaller palette. That's great. So now I have two magnetic palettes from Sydney Grace. Oh, look at this color. It's beautiful. This is called PSL Extra Whip. It's gorgeous. I think that's like a highlighter because that's awfully big. I think it's a highlighter. It is a highlighter, it says so. So that's beautiful. I'll put this back in its little sleeve for right now. So a highlighter, that's nice. And then I got this, which is, let me put my glasses on. Ooh, my hair looks really good with these glasses. Firelight Glow Pressed Pigment. So let's, ooh, look at that. I don't know what it's for, but it's got a little grate there so you can shake it out. That's a beautiful color. I'm not sure. I would use it for eyeshadow for sure. I'll leave that out of the box. Then we have, how about we use some good English, Rhonda? Are you sure? It's called Are You Sure? And it says the ingredients and what does it look like. Ooh, it's like a little pigment. Maybe it's a liquid eyeshadow. Ooh, look at that. It's beautiful. Very shimmery. That's cool. I'm gonna wipe that off. That's a beautiful silvery gray, kind of gunmetal. Then I have some eyeshadow pigment, eyeshadow colors. We have this, which is Let's Cuddle pressed pigment. Very colorful, very pretty dark, deep blue. And then we have Crashing Waves, which is a deeper blue. I guess I got blue eyeshadows because I picked the blue bag. And this is a beautiful gunmetal, kind of silvery blue color. And this is called Baby Boy. It's very pretty. I got 3 more. Now I have Abundance, which is kind of a pretty brownish, coppery kind of color. And Force of Nature, which is a shimmery blue. And then this is Bonfire, which is a really beautiful color. These are so dark, like my soul. But these blues will look great with my hair. And that is all that's in my mystery bag. I feel like that's pretty daggone good. Highlighter, a liquid shadow, all those eyeshadows. And this has got a sticker that says thank you. And let's see what's in here. Oh, it's a bunch more. It's like 10 more shadows. Oh, a lot of them are very dark. This is Emerald Eyes, so it's like a deep green. And we've got Marvelous something. Marvelous Method. That's a beautiful steely gray. Looks like it's got a little shift to it. Then we have Cranberry Boy, which is a deep cranberry color. Everything's so dark. And then we have Restored Fully, which is a shimmery kind of berry, dark berry color. Then we have another deep color. And this is Delivered Freely. It's pretty. Then we have Absolute Zero, which is a gorgeous blue. And Mind Blown, which is a matte gray. Crap. That's why I've not been doing that. So I've been keeping them, but it's a matte gray. And this seems to have some kind of a purple shift to it. And this is Angelic. These are so deep. I like colors, but these are so dark. Pine Cone, which is like a brown with a little shift to it. And then we have Journey Home. I can't really tell what color that is. Oh, it's kind of like an olive color. A deep olive green. And that is it. That is all she wrote. I got a bunch of eyeshadows. I got some blank palettes. I got a highlighter. I've got a liquid shadow. I got quite a bit for my money. I hope that you've enjoyed this unboxing. My necklace has been crooked the entire time, but we don't care. We just love each other the way we are, hopefully. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.